So we can use the spreadsheet to more efficiently determine the values of a series and sequences. But let's start with the very basics. If you click in the cell, they're referred to as cells, you'll notice that the column A and the row 1 are highlighted. So right now I'm entering things in cell A1. If I was here, I'd be entering things in cell B2. This would be cell A5 and so on. When you enter things in a cell, the computer can intuitively determine series and sequences for you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is highlight all of these columns so I can put the numbers in the middle. I click the center button right there, highlighted all of them. I'm going to go back to this cell A1 and I'm going to type a 1 and I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to type a 2. I just created a sequence, an easy sequence going up by 1. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So if you highlight, click on the 1, hold down and drag to the 2, you'll notice that both items are highlighted. There's a solid blue on the 2, but there's a blue border around both cells, A1 and A2. So things you can do: if you use the hand, you could move those cells around. If you use the fat plus sign, excuse me, well, we'll do this first. If you use the skinny plus sign, so notice right now it's a fat plus sign. Notice right now it's a skinny plus sign. So I've got both of them highlighted and I use the skinny plus sign and it learns the pattern and it can list me all of my numbers. I'm going to hit undo. Notice if I only have the 2 highlighted and I use there's fat plus, here's skinny plus, and I use skinny plus, notice it will only copy the 2. It won't see the pattern. I hit Command Z to undo. I've got to highlight these both. And you can do interesting things, such as you could do the days of the month. September 1. You could do the months themselves. You could say October, November. Highlight both of those. Whoops. Highlight both of those. And notice it does the months in order. You could even do a more complex sequence, like the first term is 2, the next term is 6, and it will notice it added 4 each time.